everyone! I want to explain how we color-coded the map and what it means. We primarily use three colors: green, strong program; yellow, in between; red, weak program. The system is helpful, but it also has some limits. It can make things look too simple. No curriculum is perfect. Each one has strengths and weaknesses. Also, a curriculum that works well for one group of students might not be the best fit for another group. This map is meant to be a starting point to help you think about the programs used in the area, not the final word on which one is best. It's also important to understand the difference between two terms: research-based and evidence-based. Research-based curriculum are built on teaching methods that research has shown to be effective. Evidence-based curriculums go even further. The whole program has been tested in high-quality, rigorous studies and proven to work. Now, most curriculum are research-based, not evidence-based. There are a couple exceptions, though. Also, no studies directly compare two different curriculums to each other, so we can't say that one specific curriculum is the best overall. In Illinois, there are many curricula in use, and we didn't have the money or people power to independently review every single one. Instead, we relied on a few trusted sources. The first one is EdReports, which reviews whether curriculum materials are high quality and aligned with standards. Second, we use Knowledge Matters Campaign Curriculum Directory. This highlights curriculums that are high quality and knowledge rich. We also looked at the research base behind the curriculums. Now, let's look at some examples in the map. So, if we look at some of our highly rated green curriculums, one very popular one is Into Reading. This curriculum was assessed as meeting the standards according to EdReports. So it is green here. We also see Core Knowledge, also fairly popular in Illinois. This program met the standards according to EdReports, and it was also on the Knowledge Matters list. Additionally, there are some high-quality research studies that show evidence of core knowledge being effective. Now, if we scroll down the list a little bit further, you'll see a curriculum like Bookworms. Bookworms did not quite meet EdReports standards. However, it was on the Knowledge Matters list, and it also has strong evidence from the research. And so, because of that, Bookworms was also rated green on our list. Another example of a curriculum with strong evidence is Success for All. Success for All was not rated at all by EdReports, and it was not on the Knowledge Matters list. However, because it does have strong research support behind it, it would still be rated as green in our system. Now, none of the schools on our map reported using Success for All, but if they had, we would have rated it green. Now, in addition to red, green, and yellow, we use a few other colors. This mauve color right here indicates programs that are non-commercial. So these might have been curriculums that were developed by the teachers in the district, or they might have been purchased from somewhere like Teachers Pay Teachers. Up here, these eclectic districts used not just one core curriculum, but they were pulling from a variety of different resources. Blue is curriculums that were not rated. The most common one was iReady. iReady is primarily a assessment system and also a personalized instruction system. It is not really a curriculum. These might have been reported to us by the school districts in error, but we couldn't really rate it as a curriculum. Another example would be some districts were just using the foundational skills portion of CKLA, and it is hard to just analyze a specific portion of an overall curriculum. Some of these curriculums were old editions of curriculums, and it was also difficult to assign them a rating. So we hope you enjoy our map, and we hope you find it helpful.